Hello, my name is Dr. Daniel Lee. I work as a family practice provider here at Christie Clinic in Urbana. I have the privilege today of sharing with you the medical benefits of running and especially exercising. There are various medical conditions that can be improved by exercising and especially running. Such diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and sometimes obstructive sleep apnea or obesity, depression, or some forms of cancers as well. People who have diabetes, is sort of paramount for them to lose weight, and running is a great way of losing weight. For those who have high blood pressure, there's been some scientific studies that show that people who run about 30 minutes, about 3 to 5 times per week, they have a great way of lowering their blood pressure in the span of just a couple of weeks. And at the same time, it's very important for them to maintain that exercise because as soon as they stop, they can also have their blood pressure rise just as quickly as well. People who struggle with depression, it also shows that people who exercise on a regular basis can also help with their body image, with their self-esteem. People tend to have more motivation to do things and enjoy things in life. So those are some of the benefits of exercising, especially running with some of those health conditions. There's been also several studies that shows that people who exercise and run have a less tendency to have developing some certain types of cancers, such as uterine cancer, breast cancer, or even colon cancers. Let me share with you some basic math in terms of weight loss and exercising. For average individuals, they expend about between 2,000 to 2,500 calories per day just doing their daily activities. So basic equation for weight loss that I share with my patient is basically calories in versus calories out. So if you burn more calories than you take in, you will lose weight. Studies have shown that if you burn about 3,500 extra additional calories, that you will most likely lose about a pound of your weight. So if you run about close to 30 minutes to an hour per day, you'll most likely lose about 500 calories per day. So if you multiply that into a 7-day period, you will lose about a pound a day, equivalent to 3,500 calories that you would need to lose. If you multiply that over a month span, you would have lost about 4 pounds, and in about a year, if you were consistent with your running, you will lose about 48 pounds for that year. Running has also shown that people tend to suppress their appetites as well. So those are the benefits of running. Christie Clinic Illinois Marathon is a great way of people to participate in physical activity, and also participating in those marathons requires people to train for about between 6 months to a year prior to that activity. So if this is your first time participating in the Illinois Christie Clinic Marathon, it is a good idea to have you start running about 6 months to 12 months prior to that activity. As you do that, it's recommended that you exercise between 30 minutes to an hour, about 5 to 7 times a week. So developing that habit will get you to lose weight and also enjoy that activity as well. A lot of the runners also has shared with me that as you continue to run, at first it's sort of bothersome and torturous at times, but towards the end of it, a lot of the runners feel like they really enjoy running. They sometimes get very addicted to it, and they find themselves better in shape, and they enjoy their daily activities and how they have energy every single day of their lives. So we encourage you to go out there and continue to run, and good luck with your training.